Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a beautiful paper home decor project. I hope you enjoy it. Today we're creating a beautiful paper decoration.
This project is easy and beginner-friendly. Simple materials can create amazing results. A little creativity can transform any space. Take your time and enjoy the process. This is one of my favorite DIY ideas. Handmade decorations make a home feel special. Almost finished. It's looking great already. Every masterpiece starts with a simple idea. Sometimes the simplest materials create the most beautiful results. Handmade decorations bring a unique charm to your home. Great decor doesn't have to be expensive. Creativity has no limits. A few folds, a little patience, and a lot of imagination. DIY projects make every home feel more personal. Almost there. Can you see the final design coming to life? The best decorations are the ones made with love. Small project, big impact. Which part of this project did you like the most? Thank you for spending your time here today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you in the next DIY Advent.